Today, we are unboxing the Seiko Astron SSH186J1. This limited edition celebrates 145 years of Seiko. The gold-colored accents catch the light beautifully. Up close, the dial shows impressive detail. The watch features dual-curved sapphire crystal glass. Inside is the Seiko 5X83 GPS solar movement. It connects to GPS satellites for precise timekeeping. The case diameter is 44.1 millimeters. The thickness is 14.4 millimeters. The lug width is 14 millimeters. The watch comes on a matching bracelet with a folding clasp and push-button release. Turning the watch around, we see the limited edition engraving. This is number 883 of 1,450 pieces worldwide. Now, on the wrist, the watch looks bold and powerful. Despite its size, it wears comfortably. The weight feels balanced and solid. This Seiko Astron is priced at €3,400. What do you think about this watch? Let us know in the comments.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.